Hello and welcome to this tutorial for OpenOffice Base. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a report based on a table of information. I will be using the Teen Events list to view all events and programs in one easy-to-read report in a printable format. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a report and how to filter the data to highlight what you want to view for easy access and records. Let's get started. When you have the OpenBase program open, select Reports. Choose the option Use Wizard to create report in the top box. An example window and an options window will open. Select which table of data you want to use and which fields you want to use in your report. You can choose singular fields by clicking them individually and using the single right arrow, or you can choose all of them with the double right arrow. You can put any that you don't want by selecting them individually and clicking on the left arrow, or the entire thing can be taken out with the double left arrow option. For this tutorial, I will click the double arrow and then click Next. You can edit how the labels for each tab will be displayed. For ease of categories, I am leaving them as they are. After you're done, you click Next, and you can edit the groupings. For reports with more information or for wanting to show differences and correlations, you can subgroup the data to make it easier to compare. For this report, no subgroupings are required, so we will click Next. This option allows you to choose how the fields will be sorted and in what order. In a report for this event, I'm going to choose the ID type of event types, which will sort them by categories of events. So in the drop-down menu, I will select ID and choose Ascending. You can choose additional fields if you have more events or want to sort them further. Once you click Next, the layout options will be available. To print, the default option will use only black ink. For OnLite reports, other more colorful options may be preferred. You can also choose the orientation of the page with landscape or portrait. Clicking Next, it will allow you to name the report. I am adding after the table title, Report November 2019. This will make it easier when you have multiple reports to have the date and month which it was created. If you do not want to adjust any of the tables in the final report, click Static Report. To adjust it, leave it as Modify. Click Next and the report will be complete. Adjust with the tables with sliders and modify any fields you think need to be made to read easier. The report allows you to view all the data outside of the database and print it for records and meetings. You can play around with all of the features to make your reports really pop. Thank you for watching.